I'm John, and I've got a plate. I had a beautiful breakfast this morning from Celia, and what I'm going to show you is what I actually ate, some of those things that I ate. First of all, here we have our little garden here, a couple of tubs of beautiful things. We've got peas, aren't they beautiful, the flowers there? And in fact, there's some fruits of peas here, you can see them. But the things that we ate, like we had wilted spinach, but we've got some down here, and also some rocket. Let's go and see the rocket. Look at this. This is great. So we ate the leaves of the rocket, and it's quite got a peppery taste to it, but we ate the leaves of the rocket. And sometimes, although we didn't have it for breakfast this time, we eat the pea shoots. The little shoots of the peas are really tasty. One of the things that's cool about peas is the leaves can be modified to form these little, what are called tendrils, and they help the pea climb up things. They wrap around and they climb on other plants, or we tend to put them on trellises, what are called trellises, which help them climb, and you've probably seen that in your own gardens possibly when you have peas. But anyway, let's go inside and look at these parts. Oh, sorry, I've just forgot one more part. See here, this one here. This is a broccolini, and we'll tell you what part of the plant we eat with broccolini because I've got some in the house. Okay? Here we are back from the garden, and this is the rocket leaves, and here we have the leaves of the spinach, right? One of the things about leaves is what do they do for plants? They capture the sunlight energy, and with water and the air component, part of the air, they turn it into food for us and the plants as well, of course. And we eat the plants, okay? In this case, we eat leaves. And this is something I saw in the garden as well, but I didn't pick it. But here is broccolini. And when you look at broccolini closely, you go, what part of the plant are we eating there? And in order to show you what part of the plant, I'm going to look at it under the microscope, and I think you'll be surprised when you see what you're eating when you eat broccolini. So here's broccolini that was part of my garden breakfast. Let's look at the broccolini more closely. Under the microscope we see these little buds. Would you believe it? They're actually flower buds, and if you look you may see some that have opened. Look at that, a yellow flower. So when we eat broccolini or broccoli, we are eating flower buds. You know those yellow flowers in the fields? They're canola plants, and they're related to broccolini.